Hello guys, welcome to your channel. Dr. Crypto is back with ALGORAND this time. Okay, so let's talk about ALGORAND because it's pretty much interesting. Despite all of the previous videos that I was talking about the ALGORAND as a project and I actually sometimes analyze the price, today I will be just talking about the price and I will tell you why ALGORAND is one of the most bullish project in the space that you don't want to sell and you want to hodl, and we want to just right into the upside. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that subscribe to the channel. If you're Algo fan, you definitely want to show some love to the channel, support the channel, because I'm among you guys. So smash the like button, and of course if you don't want to miss my videos for the future, turn on notification bell. And I highly recommend you to just go to my previous video that I posted some probably minutes ago about the Bitcoin price analysis, because that's so important. Bitcoin is the king of the market, and all I will be saying about Argo in this video at the end eventually it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin crash, nothing can survive. Now guys, let's jump into the charts and look at it here. Now guys, this is Algo against BTC. What exactly can give a moonshot to the price? That's all I can say, right? Look at how Algo started against Bitcoin, how hardly it was sold off against Bitcoin, right? And look at, this is the fib level that I brought to your attention also last time. Guys, look at this, just a pattern. This is a pattern that is beautifully showing that this is bottom out. Now, when I take a look at it as a trader perspective, I just see this thing is bottom out. This is against Bitcoin. Of course, if Bitcoin price goes down, then it can take it down with it, unless it have a breakout, which is hard in altcoins, which is hard, the altcoin that survive against Bitcoin. But we are talking about if it's a good time to buy Algorand, if it's the time that to hold Algorand. Well, Algorand hasn't done anything against Bitcoin. Still, we are in this fib level from the swing high to swing low to the lowest point, and we are in this red zone. The red zone is the best place to buy, usually. Okay. Now, of course, it's not a financial advice. You have to make your own mind. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my friendly opinions with you, right? So let's go. And of course, I expect the same, that you go in the comment section down below and tell me about your ideas. Now, look at this, guys. This is Algo against USDT, right? USDT, which is, we can consider the same as US dollar. Now, again, the same thing, but the beauty part that I'm gonna show you, a bullish pattern which actually taking form in the Bitcoin, which is laying here, is actually taking form in Algorand as well, which is so bullish. In case we have a breakout in Bitcoin, we for sure, I think, gonna have breakout in Algorand as well. Now listen, I showed you this pattern and I said if we break out this falling wedge, we're gonna be going at least to 1.76. It was, I think, 1 month ago probably that I showed you this, and we went exactly there, even higher. That shows to me the bullishness, the extra bullishness of Algorand. That's what it shows me. Now let's zoom in, and I want to jump to 4 hours and show you the pattern finally, which is the aim of this video to make. I hope you stayed with me until this moment. Now, this is the falling wedge that, when I look at the chart, just came to my attention, and I said, no way, I have to make this update for my favorite Algo fans out there. Now, guys, the bottom probably is here. More could consider it also in this area somewhere, but better to consider it somewhere in here, right? We are much closer to the uptrend, which is so valid to me. One touch, two time, second touch, third touch, and usually if you have followed my video, guys, you know that I'm looking so much forward to the fourth touch, because I believe either it's downside or upside, we have the breakout usually in the fourth touch. And that's guaranteed? Of course it's not guaranteed, but this is the basic experience that I'm sharing with you. Now guys, look, if whether to break, to come up, okay, let's forget about the bearish scenario, because this is a falling wedge pattern. The falling wedge pattern, as I explained in my previous video for you guys, it's most likely to break upside. Like if it's let's say 70% possible to break upside, 30% possible to break to the downside. Okay, so it's more bullish kind of scenario. Now, if we dare to come back, boom, 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 and retest this line at approximately, if depend where it when and where it hits, then let's say for example we retest here at somewhere about 1.78, 1.80 US dollar, and then if we manage to break out, guys, the target will be up here again. The target of the trade will be up here at the top of the falling wedge, which is roughly about $2.50, which could be a great long or buy opportunity. Now, you might be asking, because I know most of you guys hodling Algorand the same as I do, and you would love to just hodl it to the moon, right? Now, if you want to know what's probably I'm considering afterward, as I explained in my previous video in Bitcoin, guys, if you are in love with any of these altcoins and you have 0 Bitcoin in your portfolio, which is the case is with many of the people out there, no problem. I have no argument against that. But you have to look at Bitcoin, then look at your altcoin. Because when Bitcoin crash, altcoin crash, okay? You have to be realistic, guys, okay? Now listen, if we manage to go up in here, there would be 2 possible scenarios. Either we will get a higher high than we got in here. Here was 2.55. Let's say we get here 2.60, 2.70, at higher as possible, right? And then we get a higher high in here than this one. And then we, for example, even retest it, and then we have the chance to go higher, depending on the market moves. But the bad case scenario, which makes it bearish, will be if we get a lower high. For example, we get even 2 point, let's say 50. Okay, we arrive until here, until this area, and we have a higher high, we have a lower high, and then this could be a bear scenario. I will keep you updated on that, okay? So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell, so I will be keeping you updated, because I'm keeping you updated about the project that I have, about Bitcoin Daily, of course, about Algorand, about ALGORAND, about many of the projects out there in the space that I'm handling. Most of these coins that I have most of them. I mean, this kind of Ethereum competitors, whatever you want to talk about, Cardano, Avalanche, Algorand, ALGORAND, whatever. I'm so bullish in ALGORAND and Algorand, probably maybe more Algorand, because they have a solid team behind it, okay? And when I look at this chart against BTC, oh my goodness, it just tells me buy, okay? But guys, now I showed you all of this. Now look, for example, if it happens, if it goes to retest only its all-time high, the price is above $10 per Algorand. I can tell you. You can go back and watch my. I think I posted 2 videos about the price target and in general about Algorand in the 1 month history of this channel that I've had it. So I talked about the price target is, but even in the maximum target is that are crazy targets is, but they are possible, of course, in the crypto. But guys, no, that's all I got. I don't want to make it super long, so you just don't waste your time. Just watch and get my idea right away. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment down below. Of course, if you like the video, like the idea, smash the like button, and don't get excited about the video that what you're watching from me. It's just the idea that I'm sharing. I might be wrong. I'm a person. I could be wrong, right? So don't get excited. Of course, in this deep, I'm accumulating, and follow me on the Twitter. I'm tweeting, and I just said that until Bitcoin is above 38,000, I'm remaining bullish for October. Okay, September is a bad month usually for the crypto. We're much looking for October, and we'll see what happens. I will keep you updated. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on the Twitter. Guys, that was all I got. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time. Be blessed. Finger crossed for Algorand. Hopefully moon is coming. Doctor out.